Okay, y'all requested a video. Well, a couple of y'all. I was gonna wait till I got the paint done, but let's do it now. British Customs mini reservoir, 5.5 inch headlight on the front, rectifier relocated to frame, steering damper put on with a fabbed up bracket. You can't really see it. There you go. Original chain guard cut, paint stripped off, drilled, clear coated, aluminum foot pegs, mini cat's eye tail light on there, license relocated, left side swing arm, ignition relocation on the front, going badgeless now with just bolts instead of the badge, of course. And then the custom one-off exhaust, basically a Bonneville header pipe, cut down, crossover, cut off, welded up, wrapped, rebent, and lots of stubby cans. Now I'm going to try and hand this over, and I'm going to go for a ride. I'm going to go up, come back cruising, and then come back a little bit not cruising. about it.
Now you stop.
Hit the button again.